All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP family. Appreciate you guys as always. A lot has happened literally since our last update, and we're going to talk about what that is, and obviously go over some of the news. If you're enjoying these XRP updates, continue supporting. The support has been, of course, overwhelming. So of course, continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. So you're looking across the board in just a matter of a few hours, we have seen the market tumble down yet again. A lot of coins down 5 to 10% even, depending on what coin you're looking at. So it was a major fake out. And if you did watch my H-bar update, I kind of mentioned that. But if not, we're going to obviously talk about that. If you're looking at XRP, it's down 3.4%. So again, it's overall holding much better than the broader market. Obviously down 3.4% in USD comparative, as well as Bitcoin comparative down about 2.3%. Price is currently sitting at $2.45. Market cap at $141.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $5.6 billion. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to start off by this. You could see this for yourself. The floodgates are, opening. Of course, you're seeing institutional interest, coming in like never before. And again, we know about Cathie Wood's overall prediction, and of course, the bullish scenario on Bitcoin for quite some time. You can see this for yourself. Yet again, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood says Bitcoin is hands down better than gold. Bitcoin is a hedge against both inflation and deflation. Yes, people focus on, the price movements day in, day out. But, when you kind of zoom out and take a look at it from a bigger perspective, you could clearly see a pattern playing out. This market runs in cycles. And, these institutions are aware of that at this point, and they're not here for it. And I've said this 1,000 times. These institutions are not here for the next, 6 to 12 months. They're here for the next decades, because they know, the potential of Bitcoin. And in this specific update, Cathie Wood comes and says that, gold has already had its, upside. It's not that, gold is not going to have a continuation of upside, but, Bitcoin is new. So, of course, it's going to be more attractive to institutions as well as, the retail investors. So, again, big stuff happening. You could see this for yourself. Cointelegraph posted this XRP price 60% gain in the coming days after breaking out of its prevailing symmetrical triangle pattern following Ripple's court win to seal documents in the SEC case. Again, we know about this. Again, we shouldn't really be getting super excited until, of course, we start hearing credible sources coming out about this. But the price action that we have seen recently, kind of has been hinting to me that, there is some big developments behind the scenes that we are not aware of. And I think that could be, a huge possibility, that could be coming public in the next few days. But yeah, you can see the likes of Cointelegraph posting about this now. So you can really see the sentiment around XRP. Analysts are, seeing the strength that the price of XRP has right now, even though we have seen major volatility over the past few days for the crypto market. You're still seeing XRP's price holding really nicely, and that tells you everything you need to know. But moving forward, 7 days left until Gary Gensler steps down as the SEC chair. Will Solana and XRP ETFs be approved under the new SEC chair? We spoke about this in our last update. Paul Atkins is, the most favorite SEC chair, and he's supported cryptocurrencies in the past. So of course, that would be a huge deal. So again, let me know your personal thoughts down below. But this is a huge milestone in my opinion. Once he steps down, it's going to be very exciting, and I do believe market can actually bounce, the day he actually leaves, in terms of just excitement alone. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. We'll see, of course, as we do get closer to that date. But yeah, moving forward, you can see this for yourself. We spoke about the ETF, the lawsuit, the IPO, and you can see this for yourself. Not only could Ripple go public in the US this year or next year, a spot XRP ETF will most likely take place in 2025 due to the changes of the administration. Ripple's president says, I think we'll see one very soon. XRP is likely to be the next in line after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, we've been hearing a lot about Solana. We've been hearing about Litecoin recently as well. Shout out to my Litecoin, family. But, again, it's up in the air. But XRP, the amount of spotlight it really has for itself, do you not understand that, if this lawsuit is over in the upcoming weeks, I think, in institutions to, kind of get that demand, because the demand on the XRP is going to be insane, in my opinion, once the lawsuit is over. And then, of course, a lot of retail interest would want to, get involved in XRP. And believe it or not, even though the price of XRP is at the levels it is right now, there is a lot of retail money that is still sidelined until, they hear, official statements regarding the specific SEC kit. I know that is going to be really shocking for some people to hear, but believe it or not, there are a lot of people that are still sidelined. So, I think this is going to be a huge, huge deal. But again, we need to really monitor the situation regarding the SEC lawsuit, and again, hear more developments coming out regarding that. But yeah, let's take a look at what has happened over the last few hours for Bitcoin. Remember, on the weekend, CME futures are closed, more manipulation than usual, but we literally saw the dominance go from 57.5% up to that 58.34%, almost more than half a percent, almost a percent to be quite frank with you, an increase, which of course explains clearly why you're seeing, such a red day all of a sudden for, the altcoin market. If you're looking at Bitcoin, major fake out. So, liquidation numbers are going to be quite high, in my opinion, once they, come out. I didn't really get a chance to take a look at them. I will literally after, recording this update. But you can see, we went up to $96,000, spoke to you guys about that, and clear fake out. Part of the game, though, this is cryptocurrencies. If you've been in the space for quite some time, I'm sure you guys are, immune to these types of moves. So, again, I mentioned this in my H-bar update. Tomorrow is going to be really interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts. But of course, if we fall below the 23.6, shakeout down to the 90K is still in play, or possibly even down to 85 to 86K. And even that wouldn't, be a major shocker to me. If you watch my videos, like I said, on a daily basis, you know about this. But if we remain within the 23.6, and, we are going to be sticking with, the bullish, prices that we are talking about, but with XRP, of course XRP is going to react to a drop like we have seen right now. You're looking at the broader market down 6 to 10%, like I said, depending on the coin. So XRP is still holding much better than its other competitors. But let's take a closer look and really see. So yeah, we did come close yet again to the 23.6 Sunday, but we never really managed to close into the 23.6. And shortly after that, of course, the market tumbled over. Dominance went up almost 1%. But you're looking at that exact same, quote unquote boring price action that a lot of people were talking about. That exact, quote unquote boring price action is now coming as a level of support. If this wasn't here and, we were just going straight up, and, I think we would have dumped as hard. In my opinion, and that is what a lot of people tend to forget. So right now you want to be happy about those boring price movements that you have seen, because those exact boring price movements are coming as a level of support right now for the price of XRP. And the momentum is still very, very strong. We hit a new a yearly high for, of course, XRP just a few hours ago, which was around $2.60. So going to be very interesting to see how XRP reacts tomorrow. Obviously, like us, pay very, very close attention to Bitcoin. And then we'll take it from there. But let me know down below what you guys think. If you've watched this video till the end, we're doing this on a daily basis now. Shout out to you guys, of course. If you watch this video till the end, comment down below Monday. Let me know down below, comment, so I know that you watched this till the end. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.